Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos. Standard 8, video number 105. Playing with numbers, section A, easy. Let's start. Suppose that the division of n plus 5 leaves a remainder of 4 and the division of n plus 2 leaves a remainder of 1. What must be the ones digit of n? Now here, there's some number x we don't know. Division by of that number by 5 leaves 4 and division of that number by 2 leaves 1. Now we want the ones digit of that n. Now let it be any number. But the ones digit means what? Suppose you have to go on trying. Suppose divide 9 by 5, then the remainder is 4. Right? Try it out. Which one leaves the remainder as 4 and which one leaves the remainder as 1? So 9 divided by 2 leaves the remainder as 1. So n will be 9 only. Ones digit is 9. The number can be anything. We don't care. Okay. Next. You can think of any number between 1 to 9 which can do this thing. But there is no number except 9. Okay. Next one. If 1a into a equals to b6 where a and b are single digit numbers and b minus a equals to 3, then find a and b. See here, this is some number 1 and some a. We don't know. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4 means 12 into 2, 13 into 3, 14 into 4. It can be anything. And the answer is b6 means some number. We don't know. So, but the point is both are single digit numbers and b minus a equals to 3. Okay, 1a into a equals to b is 6. Now what can be this number? 6. Which number gives you 6 at the end? 4 into 4 is 16, 6 into 6 is 36. No other number between 0 to 9 gives you 6 at the end. So it can be either, it can be 16 or 36. Now if a is what? 4. Let's try both the cases. Then b minus a equals to 3. That is b minus 4 equals to 3. B equals to 7. Okay. But a is 4 then. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.